guys, today we're going to be belching for you guys. Scroll if you don't like belching.
Yours.
Dale!
Peace out, homie.
No, POV Julia. POV me.
POV me just covers my ears and runs away from her as quickly as I can. Leah's mom, like, after, like, the play or something, like, comes up to me and asks, why didn't you help Julia when she was throwing up? I'm like, why do you expect me to help her? You're her mom. I should not be the one that's helping her. You're her mother. And also, I have a fear of throwing up, so I'm not going near throw up anytime soon. Leave me the fuck alone, Katie. Or Amy, or whatever your name is. Peace out.
Oh.
And then
Bye, people.